Prerequisites for using the Python worksheets. So the first thing that we need to do before we can use the Python worksheets is we need to accept the Anaconda terms of service. And so what we're going to do is, if you haven't done this yet, you need admin privilege, account admin privilege. You're going to go into admin, you're going to go into billing and terms, and then you will see, if you haven't done it, if you have done it, you're going to see something like this that says that it was acknowledged on a certain date and time, right? You can look at the terms. If you haven't accepted those terms yet, there'll be a little button there that will allow you to accept those terms. And so that will then set up your instance and you'll be ready to go, right? So the next thing that we need to do is that we need to add any optional Python files, packages to a name stage. So if we have some of our own packages that we want, and we're actually going to show you today, we'll step through this, I'll show you how we do this. But if you have some of your own Python packages, Python files that you've built that you want to be able to use in your worksheets, you need to add those to a named stage so that you can make those available. And like I said, we're going to go through that. And then the only other thing is, when you go into a Python worksheet, very similar to a SQL worksheet, we need to make sure that the context is set properly, and we need to have a warehouse. All right, we need to have a warehouse for the Python worksheet, so we need to define which warehouse we're going to use. We do that right in the same context area that we do for SQL worksheets. And our recommendations, as we have here on the slide, start with the extra small or a small warehouse for development, and then, for larger snowpark workloads, as we're doing more of that work and we get into it, then we can look at using the snowpark optimized warehouses, which will really make your life wonderfully better, which is important thing there. So.
Hey folks, thanks for checking out this cut from our broadcast. To see the full show, click on the link in the video description. Also, check out our Learning Center, which has white papers, events, live streams, and short explainer videos on a wide range of data management topics. And of course, if you like our content, please share it on LinkedIn. That really means a lot to us. Thanks again for checking us out, and we hope to see you in our next broadcast.